Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is so exciting. I haven't done a sit down video in a very long time. So today I'm going to share with you all how I make my mood boards for my many projects. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm always bouncing between projects here and there in our lovely home. With that said, I have to keep track of all of my visions some way, somehow. And the best way I found that I could do this is through this website called Milanote. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It's saved my memory in so many different ways you guys have no idea. I've been trying to find my workflow using many different tools, but I found that Milanote is the best way for like overall convenience, and it just suits all my needs and wants when it comes to trying to organize projects, you know? So without further ado, I'm just gonna walk you guys through my process of finding inspiration and organizing my mood board. So the first step is to find inspiration. When I want to work in a specific area in our apartment, I go directly to Pinterest. And I know you're probably rolling your eyes at Pinterest, but it honestly is the best way to start. Once I kind of get the vibe, you know, of the room that I'm doing, I start looking more into different websites, or if I see something that I like on Pinterest and it's a brand, I go to that brand's website, or I will sometimes go on Instagram and scroll through like Apartment Therapy or Architectural Digest or any of those like interior design publications, and I will just save, screenshot, or add to my collection, you know, that feature on Instagram. I'll just continue to collect pictures, and I will then save them onto my device, whatever device you have, because with Milanote you can connect from your laptop and your app, like on your phone or iPad. So it's really easy and convenient to just collect all the images and then throw them on to Milanote and then refer back to them later. Another thing I like to do in the first steps of creating a mood board is saving links. If you find things when you're window shopping on the interweb and you like something, take a screenshot, save the link in your notes or something just so you can keep track of it. Or if you have the Milanote app, you can upload it directly onto the app and you can again refer back to it later. But saving links for me is absolutely time saving and sanity saving, especially when you're scrolling on Instagram and you see this one thing. You close the app and you go back in the app and you realize that the Instagram doesn't save that page that you were on, and then you lose it completely. Trust me, it's happened to me, and it's the worst thing in the world trying to search for it. So once you see something, screenshot it immediately and save the link immediately. And sometimes I find all the inspiration in one go, and sometimes it takes a few days, sometimes even a couple weeks. So don't feel pressured to just have the vision immediately. Your mood will change, the way you want the room to look like will change, the function of your space is going to change. So ultimately, do not feel pressured to just get it all done in one sitting, because probably not going to happen. Then after you get some inspiration, once you feel like you found a good collection of inspo, then you can start organizing, and that's when Milanote really comes in handy. So then once you've collected all your pictures and whatnot, we go into organizing your visuals. Once you've got your Pinterest board all finalized and all your photos that you found on Instagram saved, I move everything to Milanote and I will upload them. Sometimes I'll upload them as I go, or sometimes I'll just take all my screenshots and batch upload them, whatever I'm feeling that day. This is when everything starts to come together, and it's really nice to see visually everything that you have liked. And in Milanote, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but anyway, when you upload a photo, you can write a caption into it, and you can either write in the caption or like draw or drag and drop a text box over the image what you like about it. Usually I'll be like, so for example, in my living room / dining makeover, I put notes as to why I like specific things. So here you can see the tree. Clearly I don't make full sentences. I just typed tree, plant, and metal table legs. That's what I liked about that photo. And then here I put, oh, it's covered, black table, legs, and concrete walls. This one I put wooden L bench. This one I put platform, couch, sharp black lines. So I went ahead and highlighted the reasons why I saved those photos in the first place. And sometimes it may be good to do it while you're saving the pictures so you don't forget, but sometimes I do like to wait it out and then review all the things that I've saved, because if I really liked it, then I would probably remember why I liked it, and if I didn't truly like it that much, then it shows if I don't actually remember why I saved the picture in the first place. That's a good way to keep track of different little things in your pins or in your screenshots, so that you don't get so confused, because then at the end of the day you'll start piling too many different things on and you won't really hone in on what you like about that specific photo. And then once you find the nitty-gritty details of the different aspects of each inspiration picture that you like, you then start making all the lists in the world. So what I usually do is I start with a plan of action. So for this project in particular, I have the dining area plan of action. So sand dining table and chairs, paint accent wall, and slatted wall. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know my journey of sanding down my dining table and chairs. That was a long journey. It took a minute, a couple weeks to be exact. And then I painted the accent wall, which you can see back here. And obviously I haven't done the slatted walls yet. It's a plain painted wall that has yet to be done, but like I said, I bounce between projects all the time. And then the next list I have going on is the living room area plan of action, and I have done none of it. But it's good to just make sure that you prioritize the things that you want to do so that you can keep track of your to-do list. And usually the way I approach it is, what can I do now? What can I do for free? And then I go into, okay, what is the next project I want to invest in? What's the next design aspect I want to invest in? Because honestly, truly, working on projects and like creating design aspects of your home is an investment. It's not the cheapest, but we can make it as cheap as we possibly can with the help of DIY and thrift stores and Facebook Market and yard sales. So just think about that if you're trying to work on a budget. And then once you get your plan of action list, you even have to go as detailed as the shopping list or the supply list or the tool list. It's all preparation and making sure that you are fully prepared for whatever project you want to take on. That's a whole nother video which I will be making, like how I plan my projects. But as for the mood board, it's good to just have an idea of what you're going to do from a bird's eye view. Your mood board is essentially your bird's eye view. The planning the project process is when you get into the nitty-gritty details, you know? So that is basically how I make my mood boards. It's definitely a process to get to that point of, okay, I'm done. And I honestly can't really tell you when that truly happens. It's just a feeling, you know what I mean? Honestly, the best part of this entire process is going back to your mood board a few weeks later after your project is done to just see your vision come to life. Just creating a vision and making it into something that's actually tangible and being able to live in it is absolutely wild. I think that's why I love doing home projects so much. It makes me so proud of myself to finally, once you get to the completion of a project, you're like, whoa, I did that. So I hope you have those moments of, I did that. And I really hope this was helpful to you in any way, shape, or form. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck on your mood boards. And if you need any help, hit a girl up, send me a message, send me an email, hit me up on Instagram, whatever. And I can go ahead and create a mood board for you if you want, but I hope that this gives you the tools to make your own. Speaking of tools to make your own, I created a PDF file that you guys could use and download to help you through creating the mood board. So I hope that's a little helpful. Click the link down below for that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! You didn't tell me you were coming home.
It's my house.
So, what if I have someone in here?
The fuck?
Are you done with work?
And I live here. Just have to finish it. What?
File that you guys can
yeah.
use. What? File that David! I hate you. Come on. I literally need to say 2 sentences and I'll be done.